Welcome back to Technical Earth. In this video, we are going to take a deep dive into the fascinating world of SpaceX, Elon Musk's visionary aerospace company. Join us as we explore the intricacies of SpaceX, from what it is to how it works, its configuration, the numerous benefits it brings, and even touch upon some captivating knowledge about space. Get ready for a thoroughly informative and engaging journey into the realm of SpaceX. Greetings, fellow Earthlings. Today, we embark on an extraordinary adventure into the realm of SpaceX. SpaceX, officially known as Space Exploration Technologies Corp., is a private aerospace company founded by visionary entrepreneur Elon Musk. Its overarching mission is to revolutionize space technology and make life multiplanetary. SpaceX works tirelessly to develop advanced rockets and spacecraft that transport cargo and humans to destinations beyond Earth's boundaries. With a relentless focus on innovation and reusability, SpaceX has made remarkable strides in the space industry, pushing the boundaries of what is possible. Let's explore the extraordinary achievements and benefits that SpaceX brings to the table. 1. Affordability and accessibility. One of SpaceX's most significant contributions is its pioneering work on reusable rocket technology. By successfully landing and reusing rockets, SpaceX has drastically reduced the cost of space travel, making it more accessible for various missions, including satellite launches and resupplying the International Space Station. This breakthrough has opened up new opportunities and commercial partnerships in the space industry. 2. Space exploration and colonization. One of the grand visions of SpaceX is to facilitate the colonization of other planets. With the development of their Starship spacecraft, SpaceX aims to establish sustainable human settlements on celestial bodies such as Mars. This audacious goal has captured the imagination of scientists and space enthusiasts worldwide, with the potential to make us a multi-planetary species. 3. Commercial partnerships. SpaceX has forged partnerships with various organizations and companies, including NASA. These collaborations enable SpaceX to provide cost-effective launch services and transportation to the International Space Station. This partnership approach fosters innovation, knowledge sharing, and collaboration in the pursuit of space exploration. Now, let's dive into the configuration of SpaceX's remarkable rockets. SpaceX employs cutting-edge rocket technology, with their flagship rockets being the Falcon 9 and Falcon Heavy. These rockets are powered by innovative engines called Merlin engines, which utilize a combination of liquid oxygen and rocket-grade kerosene, known as RP-1, as propellants. The meticulous design and engineering of these rockets enable them to carry heavy payloads into space with remarkable precision and efficiency. Witnessing a SpaceX rocket launch is truly a mesmerizing experience. From the ignition of the engines to the graceful landing of the reusable boosters, SpaceX showcases the remarkable potential of technological advancements in space exploration. The ability to land and reuse rocket boosters not only reduces costs but also contributes to sustainability in the space industry. Now, let's take a moment to expand our knowledge about space, as we explore some intriguing facts and concepts. Did you know that space is not an empty void? It's filled with cosmic radiation, various celestial bodies, and even the remnants of ancient stars known as nebulae. Space is a vast, mysterious expanse that continues to captivate our curiosity. While we continue to unravel the mysteries of space, SpaceX's contributions to the field of aerospace engineering and exploration are shaping the future of humanity. Their pursuit of reusability, affordability, and audacious goals like establishing human settlements on other planets hold the potential to redefine our understanding of space and our place in the universe. However, it's important to consider some potential drawbacks and challenges that SpaceX faces in their endeavors. 1. Technical challenges. Developing advanced rockets and spacecraft is an incredibly complex and demanding process. SpaceX faces technical hurdles and risks associated with space travel, including potential failures and accidents. The pursuit of innovation comes with its own set of challenges that require continuous refinement and improvement. 2. Environmental impact. It is crucial to address the environmental impact of space activities. Space launches contribute to carbon emissions, and the growing number of satellites increases the risk of space debris, which poses threats to other satellites and future space missions. Sustainable practices and responsible space exploration are essential considerations for the future of space travel. In conclusion, SpaceX's relentless pursuit of innovation and its commitment to making space more accessible and affordable has revolutionized the aerospace industry. With a focus on reusability, SpaceX opens up new possibilities for exploration, colonization, scientific advancements, and commercial opportunities. The audacious vision of Elon Musk and the dedicated team at SpaceX inspire us to dream big and reach for the stars. That wraps up our comprehensive video on SpaceX. We hope you found this journey through the wonders of space and the remarkable achievements of SpaceX both engaging and enlightening. Remember